Okay, so let me show you a quick demo of MoonPixlar and how you can quickly and easily create awesome marketing graphics for your products, your services, and obviously for your business. So this is the dashboard page, and you'll have to see it's a really nice looking interface. We've got different types of categories for the main types of marketing graphics that you'll create. So if you want to create, for example, a Facebook post or a social post, you can select one of these categories, and even like cover images and things for your social pages as well. We've also got add images and website header graphics. We've got a miscellaneous category where you can create these types of graphics. Even you can create logos for your products and services and things like that as well. So you can simply create a logo, and we've got heaps of awesome done for you templates. And if you want to create, any kind of custom graphics, so you want to create a graph from scratch and you want to select the size of the actual canvas, you can go ahead and select it from here and begin building out your graphics using this one over here. So what I'm going to do is actually create a YouTube thumbnail. So for example, if you get a video on YouTube and you want to have a nice thumbnail image for it so you get more click-throughs to your videos, I'm going to make one like that. So let's call this one YouTube thumb, and then click on Let's Go. Okay, great. So now you can see that I'm in the MoonPixlar editor, and if I just zoom out a bit so I can see the canvas a bit better, you'll be able to see it's a really nice looking interface. And what you can do is simply go through and select a template. So for example, maybe you create a video about online marketing, and you could simply use one of these kind of templates, a tip like this. So what you can do is simply go ahead and adjust the text. Just double click on it and call this one, for example, video marketing tips. And I can just go and just position that where I want it. I can go ahead and also change up all the colors and make it exactly how I want it. Maybe you want this to be like a dark kind of blue like that. And I want to change up this color. Maybe I'll make this color, let's have a look, maybe a white or gray like that. Looks quite nice. And this looks pretty cool. Maybe I'll change up this text font, just bring it down a bit. And you can see they've got a whole bunch of really nice looking text fonts. Let's have a look over here. Cabin sketch is really nice. Let's go and grab that one actually. Video marketing tips, and I'll make this one cabin sketch as well. And maybe also this one as well, like that. So video marketing tips like that, looks really cool. You can also go through and add in different types of text elements like these little speech bubbles, maybe something like that. And let's go and grab this one, maybe I'll place it over on the corner. And let's say, quick 5-minute video, or something like that. And I'll just bring that down. And I'm going to double click on that and just bring this text size down so that it fits nicely in that little box. And I'm going to change up this color, this one over here. Let's make it maybe, let's have a look, something like that, a blue one. Looks quite nice. And maybe I could place it over like that. That's quite cool. And again, you can go through and we've got a whole bunch of vector graphics. So if you select the all category, you can see we've got a whole bunch of awesome graphics over here. Maybe you want to add like an underline or something like that. And maybe bring this down over here. Just place that like so, and then change up the color. So let's go maybe with a red to kind of emphasize it a bit more. And yeah, you can go back over here and we've got a whole bunch of different kind of categories. So banners like this, nice looking retro kind of banners. Let's go back over here, and yeah, you can see got a whole bunch of awesome graphics. You can also go and search for a graphic. So let's say, for example, let's say tennis, just as a random one. If I click on go, you'll see it comes up with some graphics like this one over here, and you can simply go through and just resize that and obviously change up the color if you like. But that's kind of not too relevant, so I might just go and delete that. Maybe I'll go and search for coffee, see if we can come up with a nice kind of graphic here. Okay, let's have a look. It's looking quite cool. Maybe I'll go grab something like this one, place it over here. And that's looking quite nice. And yeah, I'm quite happy with that. This graphic so far. Maybe I'd go through and add an image, or you can go through and change up the background. Maybe you'll change up the background color, make it green, something like that, or red to maybe be more kind of eye-catching. Okay, maybe I should go and change up that background. Maybe I think the dark blue looks quite nice. So I'm just going to use that one. Just add that like that. And that's looking pretty cool. Okay, so maybe what I would do is I should just adjust it a little bit more actually. It's maybe something like that. And quite happy with that. And what you can also do is go ahead and then publish that or save that. I'm going to save it first. So I have this and I can go ahead and customize this if I wanted to later. And then what you can do is just download it as a JPEG or a PNG image, okay? and it just downloads right down there, and you'll be able to see right now. If I just bring this down a little bit, you'll be able to see we've got an awesome marketing graphic we can add onto our YouTube thumbnail to really increase our click-through rates with our videos on YouTube. So this works with all categories. If you want to create a logo, if you want to create social cover images, Facebook posts, graphics, and basically any kind of graphic you would need in your business. So yeah, this is MoonPixlar, the app, and I know you're gonna love it. This is just a quick demo showing you inside our app.